Chief, I'm
Welcome back to another edition of So today's message is, Chief, I'm really it's a lot of Contractor took my $25,000 deposit and left town. I've been trying to reach him, can't find him. How do I get my money back? Suzanne from Atlanta. Suzanne, you really are pretty screwed in a situation like this. If the contractor took the money and boogied, you can't reach him, he's not returning emails and phone calls. Obviously go down to the office, see if that contractor is even there, maybe go online, find out if the contractor was really even a contractor. Just because they have the contractor number on the side of their truck doesn't mean they're a legitimate contractor. Just because they got a free business card that they got from whatever it is, Vistaprint for free, doesn't make them a contractor. You gotta hunt them down. If you can't hunt them down, then you kind of get really like you said, because now the next thing is to hire an attorney, and we know they're gonna you. I shouldn't say that, I got a couple friends that are attorneys, but you get the point. So yeah, and in this particular situation, you're pretty much deep in it. So call an attorney, find a solution, hunt the bastard down, and hopefully get your money back. I don't think I can you in today's episode. Hey, if you feel like you're being hosed in a shitty situation, leave a comment below or email us, and I'll try to answer your question for you.